Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we'll solve a column internal question. Find the root of an equation x square minus x minus 1 using a Newton-Raphson method. So here we solve the question. So the equation is x square minus x minus 1 is equal to 0. So let f of x is equal to x square minus x minus 1 and f dash x is equal to 2x minus 1, and here we put the x is equal to 0 in f of x. So the value of f of x of 0 is equal to 0 square minus 0 minus 1. So the value is minus 1. So here we put the value of x is equal to minus 1 and f of x is equal to f of x value is minus 1. So in the equation f of x is equal to f of minus 1 is equal to minus 1 square minus minus 1 minus minus 1 value is 1, and we put the x is equal to minus 2 in f of x. So the value of f of x is equal to f of minus 2 is equal to, and when we put the equation in x place of minus 2, so the value will be 5. So here you can see that f of minus 1 is equal to 1 is greater than to 0, and f of 0 is equal to minus 1, which means the root lies between the minus 1 and 0. So here the initial guess value x0 is equal to minus 1 plus 0 upon 2. So the value will be x0 is equal to minus 0.5. So we choose a initial guess value in place of minus 0.5. So we perform the first iteration f of x0 is equal to f of minus 0.5 in the equation of f of x. So here we put the value x0 minus 0.5 का square minus 0.5 minus 1, and the value will be minus 0.25, and f dash of x0 is equal to f dash of 0.5 is equal to 2 point minus 0.5 minus 1. So the value will be f dash x0 is equal to minus 2, and here the formula is x1 is equal to x0 minus f of x0 upon f dash of x0. So here we put the value of f of x0 and f dash of x0. So x1 is equal to x0 value is minus 0.5 minus f of x0 value is minus 0.25, and f dash of x0 value is minus 2. So the value will be x1 is equal to minus 0.625, and we perform the second iteration f of x1. Here the x1 value is minus 0.625, and we put the formula of f of x. The value is minus 0.625. So in the equation minus 0.625 का whole square minus 0.625 minus 1. So we will solve this equation. So f of x1 is equal to 0.0156, and f dash of x1 is equal to f dash of minus 0.625 is equal to 2 into minus 0.625 minus 1. So we will solve this value. So f dash of x1 value will be minus 2.25, and this value put in the Newton-Raphson formula. x2 is equal to x1 minus f of x1 upon f dash of x1. So here x2 is equal to x1 value is minus 0.625 minus f of x1 value is 0.0156, and f of x1 value is upon minus 2.25, and when we solve this equation, and x2 value will be minus 0.6181. We check the x1 and x2 value. If x1 and x2 value are same, so we find the root. Otherwise you again iterate the x. So here we check the x1 and x2 value are not same, so the third iteration is f of x2 is equal to f of minus 0.6181 is equal to. So we put the x2 value in f of x equation, minus 0.6181 का whole square minus 0.6181 minus 1. So when we solve this equation, so the value will be x2 is equal to f of x2 is equal to 0, and f dash x2 is equal to f dash of x2 value is minus 0.6181, and we solve with the f dash of x. So the value will be f dash of x2 is equal to minus 2.2361, and we put f of x and f dash of x in Newton-Raphson formula. So here we write x3 is equal to x2 minus f of x2 upon f dash of x2. So here we can write x3 is equal to x2 value is minus 0.61 at 1 minus f dash minus f of x2. So f of x2 value is 0 and f dash of x2 value is minus 2.2361. So here f of x2 and f dash of x2 value put in the Newton-Raphson formula. So x3 is equal to x2 minus f of x2 minus f dash of x2. So here we can write x2 is equal to x2 value is minus 0.61 at 1 minus f of x2 is equal to 0 upon f dash of x2. So f dash of x2 value is minus 2.2361. So when we solve the equation x3, so we will get the value is x3 is equal to minus 0.61 at 1. So we can find the approximate root of the equation x square minus x minus 1. Root is minus 0.61 at 1. In this type we solve the question. Thank you guys for watching my YouTube channel.